It's one of my favorite songs. God will give you another song very soon. Let's appreciate Minister Jumbo.
How many people are grateful in the house this evening? Can we just get up on the feet, lift up your hands and just say thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you, Jesus, for the gift of life. And oh God, hey, your love has never changed. You remain the same. Everlasting God, you reign. Oh, you're Alpha. You are my Omega. Beginning and the end. Daddy, that's just who you are. Sing it. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Your love has never changed. You remain the same. Everlasting God. You are the Alpha. You are the Omega. Beginning and the end. That's just who you are. A little bit louder. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Your love has never changed. You remain the same, God. Everlasting God. You are the Alpha. You are the Omega. Beginning and the end. That's just who you are. Can we sing it one more time? Hey, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Your love has never changed. You remain the same. Yes. Everlasting God, you reign. You are my Alpha. You are my Omega. Beginning and the end. Yes. That's just who you are. Yes. Imela, 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 for all you've done for me. Imela, 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 if not for your grace, yeah, where would I be? Put your hands lifted up. Imela, 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 for all you've done for us, for all you've done for us, yeah. Imela, if not for your grace, yeah, where would I be? Hey, sing, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Your love has never changed. You remain the same. You remain the same. Everlasting God, you reign. You are my Alpha. You are my Omega. Beginning and the end. Yeah. That is who you are. Hey, Imela, Imela.
Give him praise tonight. You can do better than this. With your two hands jammed together, the presence of God is here tonight. Somebody glorify his name. Hallelujah, Lord. Come on, go ahead and celebrate Jesus. You are not returning the same way you came in here. Barriers have been broken tonight. Barriers have been broken tonight. Limitations have been removed tonight. If you believe that you can do better, with your two hands, mouth wide open, give him glory. Hallelujah. My God. Thank you. Thank you, Lord.